Y'all, it's Josh, Chambers Portable Welding. Today we're servicing everything on the truck. I'm doing a transmission oil change, transfer case oil change, engine oil change, and we're changing the engine oil on both of my welding machines, doing all the air filters, fuel filters. Is there anything I'd change about the truck? And a lot of people are asking about the Miller PipePro. And then I'm gonna throw in my likes of the Miller EnPak unit. So we'll come back here. We've hit 250 hours on the PipePro. I'm gonna keep it and the Miller EnPak on the same oil time schedule. So every time we change this, we're gonna change the EnPak. The Miller 400 so far, I absolutely love this machine. One of the best things about it is I'm so used to my 302 air pack being a gas engine. When I'm arc gouging or welding and it goes straight to high idle, it'll blow your eardrums out. It seems. This machine here, I think it's 1700, 1800 RPMs at max output. It took me a couple days or a week or so to get used to it, like when I was arc gouging. I wasn't used to the ramp up. It's just a quiet machine. We've run a ton of 1/16 wire through it, a lot of 3/16 and 1/4 inch welding rods, and it's so far 250 hours. It's been a jam up machine. The machine I really want to touch on is the Welding Rig EnPak A60. I am super impressed with this machine. We was doing a big job up in Athens, Tennessee, and I brought my daughter with me. I let her weld off of that machine, so she was welding like 8 to 10 hours straight for a couple of days, running 3/16 rods, and that machine ate them rods up, and it just welded consistently. We wasn't constantly bumping up the amps or making up for the lead drop or the voltage drop or amps drops. Just a really good machine, and I'm so pleased with the EnPak that I'm almost thinking I'm wanting to get one for my 1-ton truck. It's got a smaller footprint than my 302 air pack on that truck, plus it's 60 CFM versus 30 CFM like my 302 air pack. It's just a heck of a unit, and like I said, the footprint of it's so much smaller. But this is probably a $1,200 or $1,400 oil change day, since we're servicing everything and doing the transmission on the truck. The oil for the transfer case is pretty pricey, but it needed to be done, and we had a free day to do it, so that's that. Anyways, if y'all got more questions about the bed or anything on the truck, just give us a holler. Somebody did ask me if there was one thing I would change since I've run this bed for a couple months now. No, there's not, but if I was going to be a full-time diesel mechanic, to me, I think you guys really need a 14-foot bed, minimum. This is 11-foot bed, and of course I lost storage space when we had Nichols Fleet modify the bed and take off the driver's side boxes over the tires. It's supposed to have the boxes like this all the way back. So I lost some storage space. But I still got all my boring equipment, all my plasma cutters and specialty tool and my boring and all that stuff on the truck. So it makes a good platform for me, but if I was turning wrenches, it'd have to be a 14-foot bed. If I was turning wrenches full time. Other than that, I'm gonna finish this oil change up, and I appreciate y'all giving us love and support and watching our content. Also, last thing, a lot of people ask, do we have other social media pages? We got my wife's been working on my YouTube page. It's Chamberlain's Portable Welding. And then on our Instagram page, I think it's Chamberlain's Portable Welding. So if y'all get free time, go there and check it out. Give us some love on them pages. We really appreciate it. See y'all later. He never missed.
Today I'm helping my dad with a big welding project on 2 hall beds, and we cut out all the bad bottom part, and now we're re-welding all the seams together. And this is where we're at right now, and we got our metal dog, and we're gonna tack it down and then place the wedge in there so there's no gap in between the two.
Show us how it's done, baby.